Hi, a very good morning. Today, me and my groupmates are going to talk about species from different kingdoms and phylum. This is all thanks to the invention of the five kingdom system and three domain system. The five kingdom system is introduced by Robert Harding Whittaker based on the types of cells, level of organism, and type of nutrition. The five kingdom systems consist of five kingdoms which are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. About the three domain system, it is developed by Carl Woese and it is based on the difference in sequence of nucleotides in cells, rRNA, membrane lipid structure, and also sensitivity to antibiotics. I will be talking about Ascomyceta of kingdom fungi. I will first start with the taxonomy hierarchy. It starts from domain, which is Eukarya, to kingdom fungi, phylum Ascomyceta, subphylum Saccharomycotina, class Saccharomycetes, order Saccharomycetes, family Saccharomycetaceae, genus Saccharogenus, and species S. cerevisiae. Ascomyceta is commonly known as sac fungi because it is a vegetative hyphae and it is separated by perforated walls. It also has a large vacuole and it generally can be found in marine habitats. Next up, Ascomyceta can both reproduce asexually by conidia, for example yeast, or even sexually by formation of ascus through ascocarps. Lastly, here are some interesting facts about Ascomyceta. First, it is not a plant because it does not make its own food, therefore, it grows on trees and dead things. This allows it to be known as decomposer, and decomposer will decompose dead organisms. Therefore, it reproduces over dead things such as plants or even human. Lastly, fungi is used in pharmaceutical purposes in order to produce antibiotics and fight against different diseases.
Agaricus campestris. The taxonomy of Agaricus campestris is domain Eukarya, kingdom fungi, phylum Basidiomycota, class Agaricomycetes, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae, class Agaricus, and the species is Agaricus campestris. The interesting facts of Agaricus campestris is the mushrooms are saprobic and appear in a variety of habitats, but they never grow on wood. Instead, they survive by decomposing other plant materials. Agaricus species can be found in forests, under certain trees, and in grasslands. Also contains both edible and poisonous species. One of the more unusual features of Agaricus mushrooms is that the stipe and pillars separate easily. If you bend the stipe to the side, it snaps cleanly at the top where it meets the pillars. The unique characteristics of Agaricus campestris is mostly multicellular, some of them are unicellular, for example yeast. Last but not least, they secrete digestive enzymes extracellularly to partially break down organic material before absorbing the food to complete the digestion internally.
Last but not least, I will be talking about kingdom Animalia, phylum Cnidaria, and species Obelia. First, we go to the taxonomy, which is kingdom Animalia, phylum Cnidaria, class Hydrozoa, order Leptodicata, family Campanulariida, genus Obelia, and species Obelia dichotoma, Obelia geniculata, Obelia longissima, and Obelia bidentata. Next, we will go to the unique characteristic to phylum. First, it has soft body, carnivorous, stinging tentacles, body symmetry, and specialized tissue. The unique to species is all Cnidaria species are capable of sexual reproduction, usually the medusa, and many Cnidaria also reproduce asexually, which may occur in both phases. In asexual reproduction, new individuals arise from bits of tissue that are budded off from a parent, or by a parent dividing lengthwise or crosswise into smaller individuals. Polyps that remain physically attached to one another or embedded in a common mass of tissue constitute a colony. Last, interesting fact about Cnidarians. First, cnidarians a major contributor to the aquarium trade industry. Second, their ecosystem are a source of food for millions. Third, coral reefs are the hotspot of marine biodiversity. Fourth, they are a source of new medicines.